What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Feels like it's been a while. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Today's video we are gonna go over the Q and the little exhaust system I got going on. It's just a axle back. Honestly, it's nothing crazy, but I personally think it sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna do little different point of views of the sound and whatnot, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And with this kid right here, the trouble child, on the last video, if you watched it, I was at the junkyard looking for the AC lines. I got one of them, and then for the fender liners that it was a 50-50 chance of finding them, but I couldn't find them, so I ordered them right here, got them on there. I didn't really make a video on it because it's whatever. And that's actually the second set that I bought, because I bought the first set and there's this part that goes over here on the bumper that I didn't think I needed to tighten up or anything, and just ride down the road it freaking flew off. So yeah, without further ado, let's stop talking and let's get right to the video. This thing's a little dirty, so thinking of putting the GoPro somewhere on here. Should sound fine, I hope. Hold on, I don't even know how the hell to put I think I've only used this shit like once. Bear with me. Alright, well, I got the GoPro on there, if it focuses. Yep. That's a little different point of view. And then I'll probably go to a park or something, do a couple stuff so you guys can see. Alright, so there's this is how it sounds from the inside with the windows down. Hold on, there's people there. Don't sound too bad, I think. You can hear the cats screaming. I need some new cats. Let's hear it with the windows closed. Yep. And it sounds pretty low. This thing's like 4-inch, I think. And I know, like the first video I did about what brand and whatever not, I still don't know what brand it is. It's just I'll look for it. If I find it, I'll probably put a picture here now. But yeah, it's literally just the axle back right there, and that is it. That's all. I do need I'll probably, maybe this winter or early next year, whatever, I'll probably do a whole full exhaust, because I need some new cats. I don't know if you can hear them. They're definitely screaming in there, but yeah, it's a little TLC and a wash. But I'll do another sound one here with this camera. That shit sounds retarded. Alright guys, that's probably gonna be it for this one. I know it's probably short and whatnot, but gotta give you guys something. I need to start getting on my grind. Try to at least post a video a week, hopefully. I'll try. I know I've been slacking and whatnot, and it ain't good. But here's a somewhat new merch, the latest that I put out. Says it on the front and the back. Make sure you go down to the description and get yours. Make sure you stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.